Okay, so very cute, but I have like 3 agenda that I want to do. And then obviously Santa hat. Hey everyone, hi, I'm Shrishti and welcome back to my channel. And it's finally that time of the year. Yes, it's Christmas time, it's holiday time, it's New Year time, and you know what? I'm feeling all Christmassy. And yes, this vlog is all about it. So today what we're gonna do is do all the Christmas setup at home, and I'm super excited about it. So for a background, if you don't know, I shifted to a new place few months back, and since then I was so caught up with work कि मैंने ज़्यादा कुछ भी setup नहीं कर पाया है. So now it's holiday season and I have some time, so I know I have to give the much needed love to my home. So we gonna do a lot of setup, lot of furniture shopping, lot of things, lot of light. बट पता क्या, वो तो चलता ही रहेगा बिकॉज इट्स क्रिसमस टाइम. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना एक अच्छा सा क्रिसमस डिनर ऑर्गेनाइज किया जाए, क्रिसमस ट्री सेटअप किया जाए, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी गोना डू टुडे. Okay, so very cute, but I have like 3 agenda that I want to do. The first thing, we have to go shop today because obviously we need to buy all the Christmas stuff. The second thing is we gonna do all the setup at home, Christmas tree setup करेंगे, पूरा डेकोर करेंगे. Third, which is like really cute and मुझे वो काफी टाइम से करना था, is do a small photo shoot and create a Christmas postcard. Okay, so let's start with the shopping. The only hope I have is, I get the right size of Christmas tree. Like I want 5-6 feet का Christmas tree because every time I go, I end up buying like really छोटा tree जो कि मिलता नहीं है. Okay, so we are going to the mall today and मेरे ऑफिस के पास एक शॉप है which is like very small and very cute one. तो वहाँ पे कल मैंने आते टाइम देखा था कि lot of Christmas stuff is there. तो आई होप मुझे जो जो चाहिए वहाँ पे मिल जाए. So it's really cold, so I'm not gonna miss my sweater. We are ready, and this is my outfit. Also, I don't know, I'm not liking my hair recently, so I might chop it off. But for today, let's go shopping and see what we find. Okay, so after wasting 2 hours in mall and looking at all the overpriced stuff, I ended up in this shop I was telling you about. And for Pune people, this shop is in Viman Nagar and you get all kind of party stuff here like New Year, Christmas, Halloween, or even if it's a birthday party. And obviously I shopped too much and it's time to head back. Okay, so we did all the shopping yesterday and I got so many cute stuff that I cannot wait to show you. और मुझे थोड़ा बहुत फर्नीचर भी लेना था बट आई कुड नॉट बाय इट क्योंकि मैंने बहुत कुछ देखा एंड देन आई वाज कंफ्यूज कि ये घर पे फिट होगा नहीं होगा. तो मे बी विल पार्क दैट फॉर लेटर. और लेट्स डू वन थिंग, लेट्स मेक इट अ होम सीरीज जहाँ पे एवरीथिंग दैट आई डू विथ माई होम, द डेकोर, द इंटीरियर, आई शेयर इट इन दिस सीरीज. ओके, एंड दिस कुड बी द फर्स्ट वीडियो इन दैट सीरीज वेयर वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ द क्रिसमस डेकोर. And now let's open or unbox all these things that I got. First is this really cute, बहुत ही cute लगा इसमें, like cherry and the bow and with all the cute details. A lot of Christmas decor, like lot of. And then obviously Santa hat. This has to be there. Candy. And पीछे if you see, I got so many cute cushion covers. मुझे बहुत cute लगा. Like it is like a set of 5. I wanted 6-7 feet tall Christmas tree. This is like 6 feet का Christmas tree. I don't know ये इतने से box में आ गया है. तो let's unbox it and see how it is. So we started setting up our Christmas tree and Dhruv is helping me because I'm the one who plans and he's the one who executes. Also, no one told us that setting up your own Christmas tree is such fun. So here we are dancing, discussing and doing some serious work. And after almost 3 to 4 hours, we were able to complete the setup. I'm so happy, but I still have to set up all those cozy corner in my house. So let's quickly do that. Okay, I started setting up my living room and after burning so many candles, I love how everything turned out, like all those cute cozy corner. But before I show you that, I have to take picture for my postcard, but the biggest mission is to convince Dhruv to take picture with me. So let's do that. Okay, I was able to get some nice pictures, but more than the picture, I feel like the moments, the laughter, the dance, and the memories that we made last week is the essence that I want to capture through this postcard. So here I'm ending my video with a lot of love, and I hope you like this video. If yes, please subscribe to this channel, and wishing you all Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.